How to withdraw money from Hamster Combat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose, and in this video I'm going to let you know how you can withdraw money from Hamster Combat. In order to withdraw money from Hamster Combat, you just have to follow the steps. Now first of all, you have to do is go ahead and log into your Hamster Combat account. So you can even use a web browser or an application, either way. The process is going to remain the same. So right on this page, let's search for Hamster Combat, and then you need to scroll down. Click on the first link and make sure that you log into your account from the home page. Then use to navigate to the withdraw or a cash out section in the Hamster Combat platform. When you do that, enter the amount you wish to withdraw next to you. Then you need to select your preferred payment method. It could be a debit card or credit card or any other bank account. And once you have done, confirm the withdrawal request. And you also need to mention the exact amount that you wish to withdraw, and you could just follow the prompt from the onwards. So that's how you can easily withdraw money from Hamster Combat. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.